Good evening, Vanners. Here's a quick update on my van project here. I've got the rear corner all mocked up, and turns out I'm probably going to end up using most of this panel. There was quite a bit of filler up in the corner here, and that's where a little rust spot was pushing through. So I'm going to clean this all up and cut this out and start to patch this in. I tacked this in. I still need to treat the inside of the panels. I just wanted to make sure everything was going to fit. So I'm going to leave this panel on, and I'm going to start trimming around the wheelhouse so we can start figuring out the lower rocker skin here so we don't have any issues, because I want to keep this body line as true as possible. And that's where we lie here. But in the duration, that panel that I made to butt up against here, that box section, worked out really well. It's attached obviously with this pair of vice grips, so all the body lines lined up really nice. So I'm basically working off of this body line here, and well, there's none here, so we've got to figure out what we're going to do, because that wheelhouse stops here, and then there's just going to be this tiny little section, a quarter panel that goes down here, that'll be cut out of that panel there. So it's kind of a waste, but I didn't want any issues going down the road with different body lines and stuff like that. So when I mocked this all up on the floor, when I mocked the new sheet metal up on the floor, everything was true. So I'm just gonna have to work with it, and it'll work out. Just bear with me. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. Thank you for your patience. Take care.